like the sound of the strings, that there's this rhythm, this smooth cadence. For an organization, that's the steady rhythm of collaboration and calm, representing a place where people breathe together, not just work together. Sometimes there's this low exhaustion, deadlines beating louder than hearts, people moving but not connecting. This is all the sound of morale. It's not about volume or productivity, it's about vibration. It's how people feel in the space between their tasks. Morale is the emotional music of an organization, and you can hear it. You hear it in the way people speak to each other. In a healthy culture, communication sounds open, respectful, and real. People don't whisper their frustrations or silence their ideas. They share, listen, and respond with empathy. When morale is low, the tone shifts. Words become sharp, clipped, or cautious. But when morale is strong, language becomes collaborative. It's the difference between I have to and we've got this. The way people talk to each other reveals the health of the workplace far more than any survey ever could. You hear morale in the energy between people. Morale hums in this unseen space, the meetings, the hallways, the quiet nods between colleagues who actually care. When people trust one another, there's this flow. Ideas pass easily, effort feels shared. But when trust breaks down, even small tasks feel heavy. Collaboration becomes competition. The energy between people is the organization's rhythm section. If that pulse falters, the whole culture is off beat. You hear morale in the people, in how people return after the hard days. Every organization faces dissonance, conflict, crisis, fatigue, but morale determines whether people come back with harmony or hesitation. In a strong culture, struggle doesn't silence the music, it refines it. People recover, reflect, and realign. Healthy morale doesn't mean the absence of tension, it means the presence of restoration. The sound of morale is the heartbeat of your culture. Listen for it, nurture it, protect it, because when people feel in tune, they don't just perform, they belong. I'm Dr. Peggi Trusty, your wellness strategist. Communicate, collaborate, cultivate. We can make beautiful music together.